Today, y'all, we'll be trying seafoam concentrated fuel injector cleaner to unclog this fuel injector. Well, you see the before and after. What do you think? Can it live up to the hype? Thanks for joining us on YouTube at Nate's Interactive Auto. I'll run this fuel injector for 1 hour and speed up the process. This way you guys can see the spray pattern from all angles. Well guys, if you want to see something tested in one of our future videos, just subscribe to the channel and comment below letting us know what you would like to see next. I'm actually starting to get really excited for you guys to see just what seafoam did. I was definitely surprised. Seafoam concentrated fuel injector cleaner treats up to 25 gallons, best use for 15 gallons. Used in all gasoline engines, cleans and lubricates fuel injectors and upper cylinders. How to use seafoam? Well, it states to use 1 ounce for every 3 gallons of gasoline, but we're going to be using 1 ounce for a quarter of a gallon of gasoline. Please share any ideas that you have for unclogging fuel injectors down in the comments. It does go a long way to help others. I want to give a special thanks to all y'all watching these videos, and we're going to try harder each and every day to improve our test and come up with great new ideas that you suggest. We'll pour in the gasoline and we'll get this test started. Now you can see we have the fuel injector running again, and we're going to speed up this process. Thanks for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.